How's it going, YouTube, and welcome to my unboxing of this demo unit of an LG G5. I got it a little bit early, but unfortunately it is a demo unit, so hopefully everything on the inside is going to be exactly the same. Software might be slightly different with some additional demo content on there. No doubt all this is going to be exactly the same, just minus that logo there. So let's pull the sleeve off. You can see that's how that comes, and if you want to compare that to the LG G4, that's the LG G4 box there. So it's a little bit different. That's completely different. This one just pulls up just like the iPhone that we're used to. And this one, I guess it pulls up from the side. Let's have a look. Oh no, it lifts up from the top. So up like that. This is my first time seeing one of these as well. So we'll put that to the side just for a minute. Let's see what else we get in the box. So this one doesn't come with any earphones. I'm guessing it is because it is the retail demo one and not the normal one. So you get the charger in there as well, and a European charger. This is not a UK version, but everything else should be exactly the same. So let's put the box aside because the box isn't too interesting. Because it's not the exact retail packaging. So looking at the phone itself, I'm not going to delve too much in terms of specifications, but let's peel all this plastic off. So a lot of plastic on this one. Oh, and somehow I've turned it on already. So here we have it, the LG G5. This isn't a retail model, so it's got stickers on there saying not for resale. But you can see the dual lens setup on the back with a fingerprint power key there. The volume up dial keys have been moved to the left hand side of the display for the G5. So breaking tradition from the LG G4. I will do a comparison video to the LG G4 as well, so you can actually see looks wise a bit better. You can see the front facing camera there, and everything else is pretty much typically where you'll find all the usual bits. So microphone ports on the bottom, headphone jack on the top with an IR blaster on the top as well. Also USB Type-C cable on the bottom, I believe, with a speaker grill just there as well. All really nice chamfered edges, lots of plastic around this phone as well, just to protect it when it's in the box. So let's peel that off. So as we have a close-up, you can see a bit more detail. In fact, even more plastic just on there as well. So let's peel that off as well. There we go. So that's all the majority of the plastic gone there as well. So looking at the left hand side of the phone, you can see there's a small button there. So if you push that down, it should release the bottom of the phone. In fact, you can see the gap there already. I don't know if there's one on the other side. Doesn't look like there is, so let's just push that in. And there we go, and it ejects completely out of the handset. And you can see the battery there as well. And this is kind of like a modular handset where you can change these bottom parts for different parts. So you've got a DAC you can plug in there, you can plug in a camera module as well, and it just slots in there, and hopefully it'll click into place. There you go, you can hear a small snap of it just going into place, and then obviously you have to power it back on because every time you pull it out, it pulls out the battery, so it does turn itself off as well. So let's get this thing powered on. So power button, press and hold because it has turned off. So here we go. Let's fire up the camera. You can see the front facing camera, you can see me and my camera just there, so let's turn that around. There it is up there. Here's the main camera, so you've got two different views. This is the normal view, and then there is a wide angle view as well. So if you press that and it goes to a super wide angle, wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but when you're actually holding this yourself, that is awesome. And of course you can zoom right out and zoom right in, and it switches between the two as well. I'd probably actually use the button so I actually know which camera I'm using, and you can zoom right in and take a photo. So let's see the detail. So this is that the widest? That's that one there, so let's take a photo of that. And then that's the wide angle shot, let's take a photo of that as well. And let's compare them. So right on there, lots of detail there, so that looks really, really good. And if we compare that to the wide angle shot, Again, lots of detail there as well. A lot more information on that one because, of course, it is a wide angle shot as well. So one thing I like to do is check out the wallpapers and stuff like that. So let's see what we get on here. Now typically, normally you don't get a lot on an LG straight out of the box in terms of wallpapers and things, especially live wallpapers anyway. So wallpaper gallery. There's a few pretty cool ones on there. I'll leave the stock one on there for now. And let's see if there's anything in the gallery already. There is a preloaded video, so let's just play that quickly. Also 360 video as well. So you can of course pan around. I apologise for the glare. That looks pretty cool, but not too interesting. So here we go, that's just a really quick unboxing and power up of the LG G5. I will be doing a few more video clips of this phone, so don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.